All right, so glad you tuned back in from question number 2. So for gamma 3, all right, so let's start off with the definition, 0 to infinity of x to the 3 minus 1, e to the negative x dx. All right, so we're going to get 0 to infinity of x squared e to the negative x dx. And again, we would need to use integration by parts. So again, I'm going to just use column integration. So we have x squared and we have e to the negative x. So we're going to get a 2x, we're going to get a 2, we're going to get a 0. And as always, this thing is going to fluctuate between e to the negative x and negatives. All right, so our antiderivative is going to be x squared. So I'm going to have a limit as r approaches infinity of negative x squared e to the negative x, which I'm just going to write as e to over e to the x, minus this. Oops, that was not a this. Minus 2x over e to the x times those things. So we'd have plus, but plus and minus is going to be minus 2 over e to the x from 0 to r. Right, that next one, and everything after that's going to be gone. All right, so we're still going to see that because we have all of these denominators of e to the x, right? E to the r is going to grow faster than r squared, right? So I have r squared versus e to the r. E to the r is always going to win out. So our denominator is going to get bigger than our numerator. So all of the r stuff is going to be 0. And again, that's going to be something that happens for all of these gamma function questions, right? So all of those things become zeros when we work with r's. The only thing that lives on is going to be, we're going to get a negative 0 squared over e to the 0, boring. 2 to the 0, e to the 0, boring, right? So all of our e to the r stuff was 0 minus. So whatever. And then we're going to have our minus 2 over e to the 0. So we just get a minus 2 at the end. So the only thing that lives on here is going to be this term. We have minus 2. So this is going to be 2. So let's add that to the list. Gamma 3 is equal to 2. What are we getting? Is it a Fibonacci sequence? Is it something else? Tune in for 10D starring Gamma 4 in the next video.